Hi, it's 17th of May, and we're gonna participate to the Build with AI, the annual AI conference of 2025, which is actually organized by GTG Sri Lanka. So let's get prepared for the event. Before we go to any kind of event, we should be familiar with latest technologies and stuffs. Should read the latest documentations and have a good idea about what are we gonna talk about at the event. That might be really useful. So yeah, see you guys at the event. I'm at WSO2. They haven't started registrations yet. So yeah, we'll see.
So thanks a lot for attending anyway. So we have a couple of sessions planned all throughout the entire day. We have interactive workshops, we have guest sessions, and hope you will have an interesting day. And thanks a lot.
And I welcome you all to this amazing experience that we call as Build with AI. So Build with AI is the series of events across the world organized by Google, where you can come to learn Google technologies.
So, hi, good morning everyone. So, let me talk about myself. So, my name is Rich Raj. I'm from India. So, I'm a GD for Firebase and Machine Learning Technologies. I'm also an advisory board member for Google for Developers. I'm also a mentor for the startups, like if you have any startups or if you are participating in the Google for Startup program, so you can also participate in the Google for Startups. You need to follow the code plan, getting started with Firebase GenKit.
For an example, let's say you are working for a finance division for a company, right? You want to automate a specific task when it comes to financial automation, or maybe some other concept. Another example, let's say you are working for a company who's handling event registrations. For an example, I believe all of you have gone through the registration process of Build with AI, right? So you all might have experienced this kind of chatbots, right? AI chatbots. Google Gateway. The other agent is built with something like LangGraph. So in these cases,
so next up we have Mr. Thiru Dinesh. He is the head of AI at Root Code, and his topic would be engineering real-world systems with open source LLMs.
Something that's very interesting that's been happening very recently is that a lot of LLMs, a lot of model providers even are starting to release their own open source versions.
The head of AI at the Verasta Group. His topic for the day would be redefine LLM ops with robust dual memory architecture.
The future of production, which is LLM ops. What is it?
So whether you have consent from whatever the user to use this dataset. Okay? So there are plenty of models you train without any consent. That's a different story. But legally, you should have all the consent to use the data. Okay?
we are not entirely represent human workforce. Instead of that, we introduce this model called hybrid approach. For an example, hybrid approach means, for an example, let's say.
So I think for businesses, that gap between how long and how much effort it takes to convince the right stakeholders to accept the solution and adapt it.
And with that, we conclude the day one of Build with AI Sri Lanka 2025. Have a good evening.
So hi everyone, good morning, and thanks for being here. So today I'm going to talk about let's talk to your cluster LLM agent powered Kubernetes MCP server.
So I'm Isala. So for those who don't know me, I'm a software engineer at WSO2 and I mainly work at Choreo.
Okay, cool. So today I'll talk about GraphRack to improve agentic reasoning using Vertex AI reasoning engine. So when talking about agents, it's the buzzword in 2025, right? So everyone's talking about agents.
Topic today is that we are going to do a brain surgery. Okay? Do you like to do a brain surgery?
About me, I'm the CTO at Surge Global. I have been there for quite some time. I worked for WSO2 for some time as well, and I was in the industry for over 13 years. And I was also taking part of very initial GDG's events as well.
And a very big thank you to all of you in the audience as well. And with that, we conclude Build with AI Sri Lanka 2025. Have a good evening.
Just came home after the second day of the Build with AI and had a nice experience. Also, the community, it's really good. Met so much lovely people. Thank you for GDG Sri Lanka for organizing such an event. It's pretty awesome. Learn a lot, as usual, learn a lot. Seniors in the industry, speakers, mentors. Thank you all for coming and sharing your experience with us. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys from another vlog.